Hello, boys and girls. I'm Chaz Edward, Santa's head elf. Wow, do we have an incredibly slimy show for you today? Santa receives quite a surprise when he opens the mystery ball. I will give you a hint. It's green and it sticks to everything. So many of his friends end up getting slimed, I sort of lost count. The best part? Pikachu used the sticky, gooey mess to fly around Santa's office. I know you'll love this episode of Santa's Toy Reveal. Here we go!
Oh, you want me to sing? Okay. I am Santa, and these are my elves. We're busy making toys to put on your shelves. Every day I give you a peek of toys we've been working on throughout the week. Excitement, is what you will feel on this episode of Santa's Toy Reveal. Not bad. I can't even believe it, Rubble. Skye's here.
I love Skye. I sure love you too, Rubble. We make such a good team.
Say, did you know that we fixed your rig today, Rubble?
You did, Santa? Oh, I can't wait to try it out.
It's gonna be amazing.
Santa?
Yes, Rubble?
There's some visitor here.
Oh! Well, hello, I didn't see you standing there. How are you today? Oh, good? Well, that's great news. I was just showing Rubble that Skye was in town, and we were about to check out his rig, which has been fixed. Super exciting day here at Santa's Toy Reveal. Say, I bet I know why you're here. Yes, it's time for the mystery ball. Well, the elves came and delivered it early today. So, I already have it ready to go. Let me grab that real quick. Whoa, look at this mystery ball. It's green. How exciting. Are you ready to open today's mystery ball, boys and girls?
Yes!
Oh, perfect. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Wow, this really is green. Really cool. But wait a minute. Though the elves painted the ball today, they forgot one important thing. A door! They're so silly. Luckily for me, I have my own workshop hammer. See, boys and girls? Santa's special workshop hammer. Are you ready to open today's mystery ball?
Yes!
Yay! All right, let's get started. Yes, Skye?
Santa, I kind of want to move out of the way.
Oh, yes. Very good call. Why don't you guys move over here and watch me open today's mystery ball from afar? I don't know what kind of friends we have in here. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. This hammer sure works well, boys and girls. Look, there's a hole. Oh, woohoo! I love opening mystery balls. Now, wait a minute. I have to peek. Oh, wow, boys and girls. You're gonna love today's mystery ball. And it isn't a friend. I'll give you a hint. Oh, whoa. Oh, I'm so excited for you to see this. Are you ready, boys and girls?
Yes!
Oh, what do you think this is? It's Nickelodeon slime. This is going to be fun. Wow, the elves sure knew exactly what to put together. Something that we would all love.
I can't wait, Santa.
I can't either, Rubble. But look, there's not only one green slime, but two. Wow, Nickelodeon sure knows how to put together some fun stuff. Okay, well, we better get going on playing with our new slime. That's all that's in today's mystery ball. Say thank you, mystery ball. All right, we'll set that over there. Okay, let's see here. They even really put nice packaging on here. Oh, this is going to be fun. I haven't played with slime before. Have you played with slime, boys and girls? Oh, you haven't? Well, perfect. Let's learn how slime works together. Put the wrappings over there. We'll open them both up first so we're ready. Okay. Oh, which color should we start with?
I really like green, Santa. It reminds me of Christmas.
So does red, Rubble, but I get your point. Let's start with the color green. Okay. I don't know if there's more wrapping in. Ooh, this is on tight. Oh, yuck. Oh, look at how gooey that is, boys and girls. Oh, wow. Man. You know, I don't know if this is going to stick to my gloves or not. I better take my gloves off for this part. Don't want to wreck those. I'm going to need those soon. Oh, yucky. Oh my gosh. What is this, Rubble? Oh, man.
No, Santa, I don't want to get slimed. Issies.
But you look so good in slime. Doesn't he, boys and girls?
Yes!
I don't know how easily this comes off, Rubble. I should have tried it first. Yes, Skye?
I want to be slimed too, Santa.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Ewy gooey. Oh man, look at this. Ew. Boys and girls, it's sticking to my hands. I'm really glad I removed my gloves. Oh, wow. Okay, now that I have slime literally all over my hands, what do we do next? Well, I think there might be some more toys that want to play with slime. Let's see if we can find some. After I remove the slime. Boys and girls. Oh my goodness. We have Chase.
Pika? 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 Pika!
No, Pikachu went right in the slime. Oh no. Oh, Pikachu, are you... Oh my gosh, we have a mess on our hands now. Oh, what do we do here, boys and girls? Pikachu is covered in slime. Oh,
Pika? Pika? Pika! 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 Pikachu? Pika?
oh, you're sticking right to me, Pikachu, because I got you out of the slime bucket. Oh, man. Who else wants to be slime?
Well, dadgum, you better believe it. I want some. I like getting dirty, Santa.
Well, Mater.
Dadgum, you better believe it's Mater. I live here, and I love me some slime.
Okay. Are you ready, Mater?
much fun, Santa. I can't see now. I got my eyes covered right here.
Oh my gosh, boys and girls, I'm having so much fun with the slime. Oh, let's get a whole bunch of this stuff going for Mater. Uh-oh, wait a minute. I think Santa might have just got slimed. It's not there, it comes off of my hands.
Oh, dadgum, I gotta tell you one thing, Santa. Woo, howdy how, I'm having fun up in here.
Mater, I sure hope this stuff comes off of you, though. Oh, it does. Oh my gosh, ew, gooey slime, boys and girls. Oh, wait a minute, but we have more. Whoa.
Ew, yuck, ew, ah. Dadgum, I can't see nothing now, Santa. Look at my whole motor's covered up.
Well, can't have that now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think we might need some assistance in removing the slime from you, Mater.
I can help, Santa.
Well, how exciting. We did just get your rig fixed, didn't we, Rubble?
Yes, we did. Oh, but Santa, when you're moving me around, you're getting slime all over me again.
I'm sorry, Rubble. I just don't know what else I can do. I have slime all over me. Oh, no. What's your plan here, Rubble?
Santa, I don't really know what my plan is. I've never dealt with slime, but I'm going to try to push through it. Oh, no, I'm so covered in slime, Santa.
Oh, no. Poor Mater. Poor Rubble. Poor team. Poor Santa. Oh, wow. I can tell you one thing. Boys and girls that are on the nice list this year sure would love to get some slime, I think. I know the elves did a great job getting all of this slime created. Oh my gosh.
Santa, my rig's stuck and I'm covered in... oh no, I'm covered in slime. I'm not going to be able to fly anywhere, Santa. Oh my gosh, my rocket boosters are covered in slime.
Oh, look at all this fun slime we have here.
Oh, I'm having problems again with my rig, Santa. I think it's all the slime. Ah! 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 Ah!
Oh no, Rubble. Oh, Pikachu, you're still over here too.
Pika? Pika, use electric! Pika!
Hold on, Pika. Don't use your electric, no! Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. There's even more slime, boys and girls. Oh! Whoa! Look at all this mess. Oh, this is going to take me a long time to clean up, isn't it? But it's so much fun. Hey, would you boys and girls like slime for Christmas this year?
Yes!
You would? Great! I think the elves made maybe the best gift ever. Wow. I wonder how this stuff is made. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. What should I slime next, boys and girls? If I can find enough to actually slime something. Whoa! Oh! Kind of almost like a Halloween type of slime here. Oh my goodness. Whoa, Pikachu! Oh! Wait a minute. I wonder if I can get enough slime on Pikachu so he just kind of flies in the air. Look at that! He goes all the way down. Let's see if we can get in more slime. And get him on one hand. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. Look at that. Pikachu is stuck to my hand. Whoa, Pika! Oh, wow, boys and girls. Well, thank you so much for stopping by today's episode of Santa's Toy Reveal. Looks like I'm going to have to do some cleaning up. But be sure to check back, because we have another mystery ball that we'll be opening tomorrow. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye, boys and girls. Oh, no, what do I do with all this slime now? Oh. Boys and girls, my head elf, Chaz Edward, and I wanted to thank you for watching this episode of Santa's Toy Reveal.
Us elves just love when you stop by Santa Claus's workshop.
Now it's time to make sure you have subscribed to this channel. We release new videos almost every single day. We have a lot of toys to show you, so you will not want to miss a single episode of Santa's Toy Reveal. Oh, and make sure you stay on the nice list, boys and girls. I will be bringing some fun and exciting goodies to your house on Christmas Eve. Bye for now. Okay, let's sing the song again, Chaz Edward. I am Santa, and these are my elves. We're busy making toys to put on your shelves.